Yeah. I doozly do. Hi, Artux. Hello, everyone. Hi. You were first, Kevin. Hi. Doozly do. Yeah, Artux. Doozly do indeed. Doozly do indeed. So yeah, as I said, I didn't do anything. I just played World of Warcraft today and yesterday, basically the whole day. Not the whole day. Of course I did other stuff, but that was the main thing. So I didn't really do much in the game, but we have a tight plan. We have a tight time schedule until Sunday. Sunday? I think Sunday is when I want to have something out. Yeah. I did the following. I put him in here, David. Like, he's the one we gotta save from Doozy here in this little shack. Of course the doll is still beating it. Doozy's still beating it. I did this. Wait, I did something. I did something. Wait. I mean, it's only like half an hour I spent or so. I did this. Of course Doozy's still there. Oh, shadows. And he does. He flips us off and he actually follows us now. Like, he stares at us like the creep he is. I want to see. Ooh, that's strange that the shadow doesn't affect him at all. That's strange. But okay. He's still there. He's staring at us. The shadows are broken anyway a little bit. Gotta fix it somehow. Yeah, that little creep. That little creep, I tell ya what. He's not beating. He's not really beating it. He's just sitting there flipping us off. You could say he's beating it, but he's not really. I have started. This is what I just started 10 minutes ago. Improving my use system. Right now, what we can do is basically we can use things through walls and through everything. So I need to improve that a little bit. And if there's two things in the cursor that both can interact, we're going to interact with both of them at the same time. Which is of course stupid. I only want to interact with the closest thing to the cursor, to the player. No one helps me. It's fine, it's just a very small project. I'm just having fun doing it. Yeah, I started doing it. So today is going to be a little bit of coding, as you can see. That's something important that is still there. Yes, coding. That's stuff that I definitely know how to do. I know how to code. Not 100%. I'm not a good programmer, but I know how to code a little bit. What's happening? Why is it loading so much? Like, for example, these two plant thingies, I'm interacting with both of them at the same time. Like, if I'm standing like this, if I search one, it's both of them. Oh, no, it's only the last one. Oh, I already changed that. Right. I already changed it a little bit. I'm pretty sure that's not many people working on Among Us. I'm pretty sure that it's like maximum 5 people that worked on it. Ooh, that is strange. Yeah, found the first mistake. Whoops. Because I'm coding, I need to put my microphone a little bit different today. I hope the sound is still okay. Try get component I need to do. Hey, Hartux just subscribed. Hey, thanks, Hartux. Is it already a month? 3 months already? 3! It feels like it's like time is flying so fast. It's insane. If other blah blah blah. Yeah, like this. And then do I have to do something? Tests equal to? How does the try get component function work? Does anyone know? Oh, like this, okay. Test. No. There. But in cursor. What is this? Player cursor. No. Okay, great. I'm already confused as frick. Yes. Delayed by 4 seconds. It could be, yeah. Nothing I can change. It's the software I'm using. It's this interactable thing. Why am I? Yeah, what am I doing? That's not helpful. It might be helpful, but no. Other dot tag lab. Yes, which tag is it? What tag has my player cursor? I might be breaking everything right now, but that's why I need to concentrate a little bit. So it might seem like I'm in my own world. Layer cursor, tag cursor. Cursor, I called it. This is, by the way, a bad way of doing what I'm doing. I'm doing everything with so-called colliders. You should do it with raycasting. But I don't really want to read about raycasting and how it exactly works. So I'm going with colliders, which will work, but it's not efficient. It's not good. So that's okay. I don't have anything yet. We don't have anything, my man. If other dot... we don't try to get the component then anymore. If we get the component... dot interacting cursor is null. Then we do this. Yeah. Does that work? I might have broken everything. Everyone distract him. There's no. Please. Where you can try. Thing is, I'm easily distracted. Yes, but also nah. And today I'm just gonna follow the stream for like maybe 1.5 hours or so. Don't know yet. So that still works. This is good. If I go out. Now it loads faster because it doesn't have those programming errors that we had before. That still works. That's okay. That's good. That still works. And now we've got these two. If I interact. It's choosing the first one that we collided with. Which I don't really want. I want the one that is closest to us. So, the closest to us... Yes. This is actually a little bit... it's so inefficient. Yeah, I will... That is one plan. If I get coding done today, that coding that I have, then we're going in the house. And in the house, we definitely have a couple of mini jump scares. Doozy is there, and Doozy is annoying. I always love this like about programming. You've got like this huge red squiggly line, like this is all wrong, this is all wrong, and then you go like no, this is missing, and boom, it's gone. I love this about programming. You can fix things so easy if you know what you're doing. If you don't know, you can Google. Sometimes, the thing is, I have become quite decent at troubleshooting, at finding errors in my programs and stuff. That comes with experience. In the beginning, I was always like, it took me hours to just find the smallest problems. Which, of course, that's how programming works. That's it works. And yeah, I'm just fixing a couple of things that I just see. So it's really coding now. No key here. So it didn't select, it always selects the one I go in first. I don't want to do this. Therefore, I want to select the closest one to us, which is the closest one to the camera. So I need a public transform in here. No. No. I need a public transform in the cursor, yes. Camera. Transform. Yeah, and I'm just checking from this transform, like the distance. Is the distance to one object closer than the distance to the other object? Then we just select the closest object. That's the idea. You don't need to know what I'm thinking about right now. That's just what I'm doing. You just be entertained by how stupid I am. That's the most important thing right now. Frick. There. We need the camera and transform. The camera and transform, that's this one here. Yoink. Apply. So we now always have the reference, the camera. That's good. You see, this is getting complex, actually. Yeah. I'm putting this in multiple lines. That's something you shouldn't do, but I'm doing that. Or... we have an inventory system. I already have an inventory system. Yeah, we need to find real dolls, and some of them move, some of them don't. We need to fill this with life. And that's the plan until Sunday. Basically, finishing that house. But we already have an inventory system. You can't see it, but it's there. Other dot get component. Yeah. Oh, this is gonna be a complex line. Wait. How? God damn it. How do I call it? Camera transform. How do I do distance? How do I do distance between two objects? Distance unity. There we go. I already googled it once. Yeah, it's vector3.distance, okay? There we go. Vector3.distance and then two vectors. Yes, exactly. Yeah, ScrapTab's drill definitely has potential. The thing is, I need to take care of the copyrights and that stuff. We can definitely put him in as a reference somehow. Just give me a second. Camera transform equal... No, distance. Yes. Distance? Oof. Wait, no. Vector3... Oh, this... What? No, vector3.distance, yeah. And then we've got... I need two, right? Yeah. So from the camera and the... Ooh. Not... Interact... In cursor dot transform? Can I go... interact in cursor? What is interact in cursor? Interact in cursor is interactable. So I need to make a game object transform. Oh shit. It's not just 3 lines, it's gonna be a lot. Yeah, that line of code. I should outsource in like 3 or 4 lines. But it's okay. Vector3. If the distance between the camera and the object that the camera already has in there... Why doesn't this work? The game object, this component is attached to... Yeah, I know, but what's the error? Conversion from transform to Unity not possible, so I have to write dot position. Dot position. Okay, okay, okay. Oh. Yeah, I will. Remind me when I'm putting in more things. Then we can check it closer then. Great, now everything is broken. Because of the following. Blah, 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 blah. That needs another bracket here. And I want to copy all of this. I need it a second time right here and say smaller than. And then I don't want this one here. I want game object dot transform dot position. That should be it. And that should be the complex line I was talking about. I have no idea. It's different things what people say and what really is. Once you get old, you know it's different. Like what's real and what people say is different. So I need to make sure that there's no copyright thing. That's the thing. Never trust anyone. That's basically what it is. Never trust anyone. Definitely never trust whatever anyone says. Never ever. Don't ever. Never. Like literally never ever don't trust anyone what they say. You have to have it written. Never ever ever trust anyone. I'm sorry for breaking for saying that, but never ever trust anyone. So that still works. So now I've got these two things in here. I've got these two. And I should always interact with the first one now. That didn't work. Oh, I interacted with both. Shit. Got a comment from the animator? On the... with the link you sent last time? Okay, then, yeah, then I can use it. Why did both of them get active? If the animator actually says it's okay, then I can do it. It needs to be in written form. Interact string e boo Whoa, that's so complex. It works, not 100% yet. But I have in my mind what I need to fix and where I need to look and stuff. So it's in my mind. Next step is there somewhere. Sorry. What? Okay, now I'm confused. Hi, Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico, that's a country. Waiting for twists and turns. Kind regards. I'm thinking, why did that not work? That should have worked. Why didn't it work? Stop laughing. Why didn't it work? Oh no. I love troubleshooting. Gotta say, I love troubleshooting. Oh, those don't work yet. Pot 0. So that one here is pot 1. That one here is pot 0. Okay, that's good. And now I should have pot 0 always pot 1. And if I have both, it's pot 0. Yeah, so that works. I always select the one that's closest to me. Let's turn that around and let's see. Pot 0 and... now that pot 1 is in there as well, it's pot 1. Yeah, that's always the closest one. I was dead on the ground. I didn't even pay attention. So we always get the closest one. That's correct, but why am I interacting with both? Insulin low warning. You're too young. You're too young to know that that is an original SMS sound. That is an original. That is when we get a text message on our phone here in the game. That is the sound. It's not insulin low. I don't have diabetes. As far as I know. Oh no, it doesn't work. I have both, and then why is the right door in there? Block other that's exactly what I'm trying to do. But it's more complex. It's not like I can't just say block interaction if that. It's a bit of code already. Why? Put it too close to the door. No, that should... No, there's even a distance in between. There's a distance in between. Message didn't show up. Your message showed up. Yeah. Why is that the left door and why is that the right door? That's wrong. Oh no, depends on the perspective. Box colliders. Hi, Bronny. Message didn't show up. What do you mean? Your message show up. Maybe I didn't read it. Sorry. A stream connected game? No. Definitely not. Heh? I don't... It works with those two. It works with these two. Works with these two. Why doesn't it? Ah. Hate it. I will upload on itch. Yeah. Most likely. Doesn't matter the state it's in then. It's not gonna be finished, but there's already enough content for like 10 minutes of gameplay. Shouldn't be. The thing that could be is that the door coordinates are just messed up. I downloaded those. I didn't make them. It could be that they are just messed up. Right door position 0.8 1.2. 0.8 1.2. The player, what did I take? The camera, right? 0 0 0. Ah, it's in the room. It's whoa. Ah, it's all. Oh, that's gonna be difficult to calculate. There were demos I played for years to come. Yeah, the problem is that Oh, that's complex. The problem is that this whole thing here, the pots, that it's on the ground. The distance from the camera here to there, to the center of this, I assume, or to the edge of this, is shorter than from here to there. Hi, my fan. Hi. I assume that's why I'm gonna put this. I cannot lift it up. Shit. That is my assumption right now. Let's see. Put them both down there. Yeah. Yeah, my assumption is correct. Which means... Oh my goodness. I can't do shit about it. Hi, Mache. Hi. This is not good. I don't know how else to do it. That's one reason why they use raycasting, because if it hits something, it hits something. That's it. I should use raycasting, but I don't want to read about it. Legs referential instead of head. That would work, but again, then if we have things that are high up, we have the same problem. Just some point. How does closest work? What does it give me? Returns the distance between A and B. Makes sense. I'm just thinking of... Oh, my cell phone battery ran empty there. I'm just thinking about all the implications, all the troubles that I will have because of this. Or triangulation of the Betrag. Public static... Yeah, yeah, you can. The thing is, you can give me a piece of code. Implementing that is a whole different story. It's not like just easy, just take a piece of code. Yeah, if you look also at the layer masks and stuff, it's complex. Yeah, with the middle of the body, that might work, but it's gonna cause other issues. I'm just thinking if it's good enough. I'm just thinking if it's good enough. Because this right now is a special case where the door is basically 3 times the size. I usually won't have that. I hate it. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. I'll take it for now. I can always improve it. But I don't want to think about it right now. Evening, Peter. Hi. I know where to find things. It's not that I don't know how to do it. The thing is I have to implement it. It's not hard to learn. Definitely not. Let's see. Let's see if it causes more troubles. Okay? Shall we? Because in here we're going to have doors. Why is that door open? Did I do that? Oh yeah, I did. That is not correct. That is correct. Look at this, the door already has animations. Fantastic. I think so. It's all wrong, but it's got it. It's completely broken, but okay. Why is that broken now? What the frick? Why is that broken now? Why? Doesn't matter. It's okay. What's that kind of hip hop here? Is that still copyright free? That doesn't feel like copyright free music, I gotta say. Let's put up some happy music. Okay, to concentrate, I also gotta stand up. Man, did you know coding can be complicated and thinking about stuff? I'll prepare just a couple of things now to keep it easy, right? I will prepare now to open certain, like the cabinets, all those things. I'll just make... Yeah, it opens like this. You got it. You got it. It doesn't. I want all of this, like, it should just open. That kind of stuff, right? That kind of stuff I just want to implement. Why? What is that movable object script here? Perfect. Look at that. I downloaded this, I imported it, and this is the code. Object number 1. Great. Love it. That makes sense. Yeah, totally. Yeah, perfect. Thanks. Got it. Wait, yoink this out. God damn it. Hate this. Yeah, so I'll just prepare a couple of things here and there. So it's gonna be easy. This is now actually the easy part. I'll create some animations. Just the standard stuff. I have to see what I can open here, and because a lot of those things I can't open, I can turn around and stuff, but I can't open it. Because I took assets that I have from somewhere. Can I open this? That would be... Ah, that's cool. I can open those. So I cannot open everything, but a lot of things. Let's start. I want to open those. Pivot? No, local. Oh, I can't because... Hey, look at the rotation here. Perfect. And the pivot is, of course, there and not... Why would you do that? Why would you do that? Why? I cannot do it. Maybe I can make it a sliding door like... No. Yeah, I won't open those. Who does that? What's in the fridge? Hi, SB. There's nothing in it. I can't even... It's an empty void. There's nothing in there. So which of those did they do correctly? This one is correct. Like, I can open it like a normal person. That's okay. The drawers. Please, the drawers. Oh, yes, the drawers I can use. Yes. Good. Okay. This one as well. Please tell me the cabinet doors. Yes. Not really. Why would you put it... That is the center point. The center point would be there somewhere. But okay, sure. Why not? I don't care. Sorry, I shouldn't be complaining. Those are all free assets. Like, I downloaded. So I shouldn't complain about someone giving out things for free. So whoever made this, still thank you. But why? Not complaining, but just why? Do you know why? Why did you do this? Yeah, okay. Let's do the animations for those that I can actually use. So the kitchen bench is going to be not a prop anymore. That is the kitchen bench. It's not a prop anymore. It is going into the quest. And there I can then open all the doors. I will have to make a lot of animations. That's going to take a minute or two. What is borders? Other stuff. Yeah. So that's going to be boring as frick. So you better keep me entertained. Right, I'm going to read the chat. I'm going to chat with you. This is... I don't want to fall asleep here. By the way, King Broly, I read your messages sometimes don't come through. But I read the message. It's still being displayed from last time. When did we start this? I don't know. When did we actually start doing this? When was the first live stream mode? It's definitely a month already. How long is it? How much time has passed? I'd say it's probably 1.5 months. Live streams. When was the first live stream about it? I'm just checking it on the side here. It's been too long. The first live stream on this was on the 10th of October. So almost 1.5 months. Oh my freaking god. It's too much. I had so much time. So much time wasted. It's not wasted. I had fun. What's that music now? So here we go. Animations. If you didn't know how to make, if you don't know how to make animations, this is how. Yoink. No, I want them all to individually move. Right, and there's shit in there. One of them will have a jump scare where Doozy comes out like, a boo! And that's it. What's that text? There was text. I saw text. What is that text? Half load, full load. There's text on this stupid thing. So this one here needs a so-called animation animator. Those elements need animators, and in the animator, I will have to go down here on animation. And there you see now down there it says something about animation clip. It doesn't have an animation clip. If I go to the other one, they have animation clips? What? How? How do they already have animation clips? What? That's wrong. How do they? What? Doesn't matter. Yeah. What? What? I don't know. I don't know, man. Stuff is confusing. But here it says create a new animation clip. And an animation clip is basically, I could have, if you take a gun, you could have one clip for shooting, you can have one for reloading, you can have one for just looking at it. That's an animation clip. So for those, I will only have an animation clip opening. That's it. And this will go into quests, into C-Shack inside. And then there's animation clips. Door. What is this thing? How was this thing called? Kitchen bench? Kitchen bench. So door, kitchen bench, and then I have the door. And I can hear, you can't see it, but there's a record button right behind me. I click on record, and now you see this has turned red. Wherever my cursor is right now, this has turned red. And now I can assign animations. I can just, like, record animations. Yes, Peter. That's what we're doing now. So I will do this one animation here once. So... Whoops. Add property and that, whoops, transform rotation. That's going to be here. So the rotation in the beginning is nothing. And then I will do like, how long does it take to open one of those? Maybe 1.5. And in 1.5, I want this to be open like, maybe like this. I mean, then it's in the way, but those drawers can still open. Like this. You found audio. Again, same thing with the copywriting. And now I can click on this. And now if I start the animation, you see it runs. Right? Why did this in the center here go? No. So now basically we have this open animation. Of course, those could be way more complex if I want to, but You don't want to derail anything. Wait. Do you think last time we derailed a little bit? Do you really think so? I don't think so. I think last time went perfectly perfect. Yes, perfectly perfect. Yeah, I can use random times. That's not a problem. I can have multipliers. Or maybe opening them a little bit more, a little bit less. I can do that for every individual. Let's stop this thing. Let's go back to 0 actually here. We could have like variables in it. We could basically, yeah, we can put variables in it. That's it. Which I won't do because it's a bit more complicated. That was for door 1. The other 4 doors. What? Oh, it already has so many. I was wondering where it already has those clips. What the frick? Look at this, those already exist. That's confusing. Just a bit derailed it was. So the kitchen bench already has all those clips. I don't want this. No, I don't. I made this. I think they thought about it probably, but I don't like this. Look at all the animations there. How do the clips get triggered? I will show. There's this object here, the animator that I have there. And the animator I can put into code. And then in the code I will just say, play this one, play this one, play this one. So there is already this animator. It exists. I hate this. I don't want this. I don't like this. No, this should be gone. Like, there. Fuck off. No, every single one. The thing is, now that I could have kept it, but no, I want it more individually. Yeah, I want it more individually. So every single one can act on its own. Right before it was now, it is all controlled through the kitchen bench object, which makes sense. I want it controlled more individually. And that's what I'm doing here. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, and then I have here, for example, door 1. And door 1 I have kitchen bench. And that is exactly this animation here that we created. And that I can trigger using code. And that I will do here. Every single one of those. Every single one of those doors will get code from me. So I will create just door. Just in general. See, check inside. Whoops, wait, which one is this? 0, 10. Random door. General door, I will call it. Door general. So every single door will get that script for me, and that script will have that you can use it. There is this script, and this script is an interactable that I have prepared, and in interactable I want to... It's not code efficient, I gotta say, that's a disadvantage here, but I don't freaking care. That's my standard thing, right, is it? I don't care. If it is interactable and if it's in cursor, then you can press E. And that's not going to be interactable anymore. And we're gonna play the animation. So we have an animator in here actually. It would be beta. Now, a demo. There's not a full game. It's not a demo. It's a beta version. Yeah, it's an alpha. I would even call it. No, an alpha is only internal. It's a beta. So the door animator and then the door animator. We will set a boolean in there, and that boolean I still have to create. I will say open. And that will be true. So we will open all those things, right? Do I have a door icon or something? Open icon. Icon. Let's see. What icons do we have? Which one is door opening icon-ish? No, it's not. Like, I would have to program it differently. I could export it to any other operating system, but I would have to reprogram a lot of things, which I won't. Which one looks like open somehow? The gun? They all don't really look like opening. Maybe also the glass, the magnifying glass. That's the general thing, yeah. Yeah. And then we only need a rigged body. That's it. That door should work already. Theoretically, let's test it. Theoretically, I forgot to create the variable in my animation here. So every animation can have variables. Oh, it needs an... Does it need an idle one? Can I just delete this? Is that possible? No motion. That's probably possible. Let's see. I'll call this open. What do you mean with background? No, I didn't change anything else. So the kitchen, blah, blah. And then if I click on this, I can put a parameter on it. And that one is Boolean, that one is open. And the condition to go there is if open is true. Done. Good, it doesn't do it anymore. That's a good thing. It doesn't want to interact. Why? I have to change it. Tag is interactable, right? Is it? No, layer? Layer camera trigger? Interactable. What the... Why was it camera trigger? Whoever did this. Why? Oh no, camera trigger makes sense for... Yeah. Kind of makes sense. Open. And that worked. The variable door animator of... Yeah. Here's the thing I always do. I've wrote the script. Now you can see the script. The problem is I have not linked the animator in there. Yoink. Done. Imagine it playing VR. Nah, it's too terrible. It's not a good game. So yeah, you would be spooked, but no. Open. Look at this. And boink. Yeah, that should loop. Exactly, that should loop. Thank you. Yeah, I want this looping animation. Why do you ask? I don't want it to. It's a mistake. Whoops. Therefore, I need to go into the animator. I've got the animation, the opening animation here. I've got the opening animation here. And there it says loop time. I don't want it to loop. Done. Last check, and then copy and paste to all the others. Open. And I can't close it anymore or something. I cannot do anything with it, as you can see. Should it be closable? Should it? Should it be? Ah, we can do it. Let's do a closing as well if you want to. Do we need to? I mean, do you ever close the things? I don't know. Do you? We can create a new clip. I can create a new clip for this. I can put it in here. C-check inside. Animation clips. Why is it out here? That's why. No one ever closes doors. Neither do I. There we have the new clip. And now I just need to have it at that position there. It's gonna be a little bit more difficult because it's like... How much did I flip it here? 85. Let's make that minus 90. Correct? No, that's just 85. Record. Minus 90. Don't record anymore. Then I have to just do minus 90 again. 90 again. And close. And I've got to do... And closing goes way faster. The records starts there. Put a new... Add property. Transform. No. Rotation. Yes. And it takes like half a second to close it. So it's a bit shorter. It goes there. And then we have 90. That's the closing animation. Which now looks strange because it goes inside. But we can only close after we opened. So that's going to be fine. Probably. What do I know? Yeah. That should be a second clip. That second clip I have to add here to the animator. It's already in there automatically. Ooh, I didn't know. The thing is, now it probably loops. Yep, I don't want it to loop. That'd be stupid. I want to rename this to open. And now I want, between those two now, this one is close. Oh, there. Close. Between these two, we can switch back and forth. If we say here, this is open is false, and we can reopen it by saying open is true. Done. So if I now switch between open, close, open, close, open, close, done. We've got this is interactable is false. I don't want this for testing. Yeah, for testing. This should be, now it gets a bit complicated. Door animator dot get bool. Open. I can use IDs, I didn't know. And then, of course, not. Done. What is that beat? I can't rip. I'm I'm too old for this. So let's see. I should be able to open this. Open, yoink. And it still says open because I didn't change it. Open, yoink. Whoa. Oh, it goes there then. Wait. Oh, I didn't know. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, I have to change the animation then. I rarely do anything with animations. That's also new experiences for me. Sorry. Huh? Oh, it's not an absolute movement. It's, sorry, I gotta do that checkbox. I think. Absolute versus, what's the other word? I mean, kind of. Why doesn't it completely open? I mean, that's interesting. Absolute versus incremental. Yes, thank you. That is the word I was... That is actually the word I was looking for. Perfect. Here's also... I found a better way. I found a better way, and that is the following. I don't want this close animation. Screw you, close animation. I just want this animation, yeah. I want to call this swing. And here's the thing. Yes. I'm going to do this. Here the motion is the same motion because it goes back and forth. It's exactly the same. Where is it? This one there, yeah. But here's the thing. The speed is -1. Meaning it starts at the end and then goes back to 0. Is that correct? Does that make sense? No idea if it makes sense. Let's see. God damn it. I'm still a... I have started Unity like 1.5 years ago. So I beg your pardon. I'm a noob. I'm a noob, but I still kind of know what I'm doing. Can I just spam E? I can't. Because it's in the movement. It works. It works. The shadow is messed up, but that's what it is. I also need the store creak sound in a minute. I'll add that later. Well, that was one door. Only 50 more. And the code is not done yet. Because... because of the following. I want to change the text as well. Because, well, it shouldn't say open and then open again. It should say close. And that, of course, if... Only on Scorpio when people make free versions of the game. That's a strange copyright thingy. Okay. If blah 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 blah. If that variable is true, so if it's opening, then I want to have the text to say close, right? Then I want to have the text to say close. How do I do that? Somewhere here. Wow, I do this. Wow, this is so inefficient. I didn't know I do this. Oh, shit. That. Just that. Oh, that is so wrong. Whatever I did there. Wow. Wow, me. Close. Else. Open. Done. It might be the other way around right now. I might have just flipped it, but let's see. It still says open. That is wrong, but okay. There's an easier way. There's an easier and a better way. And it's the following. That's why I'm I've prepared shit so good, you know? That I don't even understand anymore what I did. I have a variable for it. Why don't I just take the stupid variable that I prepared? It's exactly for that purpose. Let's see. Yoink. Yoink. Ah, yeah, the E is missing, so E open close, but that works now. I've made small projects. Nothing really big. Like, this is also a small project. It's 2 months in total, probably, or something. It's a medium project, I would say. For a indie developer, like, working on his own, that's probably already a lot. You're right. Yeah. Haven't done anything. I'm not a game, like, developer. Never been. Now I am, kind of, but not really. No, I don't have anything public. Maybe in the App Store, maybe in the Play Store or something, but not really. I think nothing is public right now. Oh, click open. Close. Open. Close. Perfect. That leaves us to 4 drawers, 4 more doors, 6 more doors, 7, 8 more doors. That's it. I also want to be able to push the couch and stuff, but we'll see. Oh my god, this is gonna be so annoying. Why did I even start to do this? I mean, it definitely belongs in those games, but... Okay, what you're going to see is what we, in general, very generally, this is what we call a big brain move. Yes, definitely a big brain move. Look at this, I'm going to delete all these doors. Yoink. And a 1. Is that the right place? I should have deleted them, shit. And a 2. They're way bigger. This door is way bigger than the others. Ah, come on, are you kidding me? Why are those doors smaller? I thought they're all the same size, man. No, I'm sad. It's still called a big brain move. Even though it didn't work. Okay. Animator. Copy. Then I can still copy and paste. Paste. Where's paste? Where's paste? Paste. 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 And rigid body. Copy. Paste. Good. So that's okay. Yoink this. We just need another door 1, another of those. Do I? I mean, it's just the rotation, so I could theoretically use this one. Can I? In theory, that should work. Part of the game and factory simulator environment. Hi, Michael. I haven't done anything with Factory Simulator lately. You're right, I should. Why? I know what the problem is. It is... Like, I've done Factory Simulator in the same software. How many downloads does that have? I haven't checked on it. I haven't done anything on there. Like, I have too many projects running at the same time. It's such a pity. Wait, what was my website again? Haven't been on there in ages. There we go. How many downloads do we have? 3,500. Look at this. This has got many downloads. There was definitely potential. Like, if I would have blown that up, like, I can still do it. That's probably I could get like 1 million. Like, I could definitely get rich of it if I would have done it correctly, but I didn't. Look at this. This works. Hey, stop pushing me. That works. Guys, do you remember the big brain move I announced? There you go. We've got it now. Yoink. Done. So, cabinets work. Kind of. Do they? Yeah, they should. Wait. I just copied and pasted, so they should work. The table I need to push away a little bit now. Because now it's really in the way. Everything here. Doozy, you too. Global. Doozy, I told you. Frickin' Doozy. Hate him. I hate him. Can I just do this? Yeah. Dining. Yoink this. Because now I'm opening the doors, so that's not really working. What is this? It's way too clean in here. So that should work now. I should be able to them. That's how we say. Yoink. 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 Boink. The shadows suck. Why do the shadows suck so much? Feels strange. The motion is not linear. Like, it's... Is it linear? No, it's probably not. Should the motion be linear? Doesn't matter if the motion is linear. Bench swing, their rotation. Show curves. It's too slow. Yeah, let's make it faster. I mean, I can easily make it faster in the other sheet there. In the animator, that's why we've got this one. Activated both. That looked fantastic. And this is and this is the problem I want to get rid of. There is one thing that you don't see, but I hit the E button. And it takes like half a second until the door even reacts. I don't want this. I don't want this. There is something called an exit time. The exit time says, hey, it just takes some time. You can trend views. You can ask now. If I don't have a question, I don't. If I don't have an answer, I don't have an answer. Something crawling on the ceiling. So this exit time actually... It makes sense to have it. But I don't want to have it right now. Let's see. Yeah, that feels better. But now I can do this. But swing. I couldn't do that because of the exit time before. That's better. This feels okay. But the main problem still stays this stuff. Why can I activate both? I said I can't. I did it in... Hi, I bet you thought the camera froze there for a second. Acting. I just have to sit down now. I've got my concentration juices out. So now I gotta sit down and do things here. So, yes. What was I doing? Yeah, but it's still the general problem that both of them react on one button press. I don't want that. I have to check my code on this. That's wrong. That's the wrong part. Why didn't I? God damn it. Oh, I get it. I think I get it. God damn it. Maybe I do. If... Oh, this is getting so complicated here. That should have been it. I think. I don't know. Wait, I'm already streaming more than 1 hour? What did we do? We just opened doors. Not even good. We just opened doors. Yes! Can anyone explain me what I just did? Do you know that? Like in programming, like sometimes you don't even know what you're doing, and then you do it and it works, and I don't have any idea what. Let me just. Let me just think about life and where I went wrong, because I don't understand the thing I just did. But it works. Did one of you just control me? That might be. You knew the answer, and you just took over. And you wrote this code, and you understood it, and I'm like, no idea. Yeah, we still need to put Doozy, the antagonist, right now. There's no real antagonist. But the monster in this room here is going to be Doozy. We have to work on him. What the fuck? What did I do? How? Oh, yes, the problem was... Does anyone want an explanation or do you not care? I'll explain it anyway. The problem was, when we entered the objects, depending on the order, sometimes it worked, sometimes it didn't. I didn't even test that. When we entered the further one first, and then we entered the one that is closer to us, the further one, a variable was set that says that this one is in the cursor, and the closer one also. Both of them were set. And then I stayed on both, and still both were set. And when I'm interacting, I'm just reacting on that variable. So what I did is, if there was something in the cursor, I'm checking, was there something in the cursor that is now more far away, that's what I'm checking up here, then tell that object that is now further away that it's not in the cursor anymore. Yes, that's what I did. And I had all of this in my brain without even knowing it, and then I did it, and now I understand. By the way, that is teaching. Usually teachers, when they do it the first time or so, they're not experts on the... Especially when they do it the first time. Not experts on the topic, but they have this. Like, this is how I do it, at least. It's... You understand it as soon as you really start thinking about it. How would I explain this? How does this actually work? And then you start slowly understanding it. And it makes like click. And that is why it's so fantastic to be a teacher and to have that attitude. Because at some point I have this like, oh yeah, that makes sense. Click. Easy. And I have that in my brain now. It's so fantastic to have it. It's one of my favorite things about me. That I have this click sometimes. Not all the time, but sometimes. You're very welcome, Michael. Didn't you already say something? Yeah, you said something earlier already. I already said hi. You're very welcome. You already said you like my videos, so you're very, very welcome. I know Factory Sim has huge potential. The thing is, it's all hobby for me. That's why I haven't really pushed it further. I will probably at some point when I choose that to be my hobby again. But yeah, I'm going around with my hobbies like I change them every 5 minutes. As I feel like. Sparrows from Arduino heat change a mathematical model and when I simulate 4 temperature. After getting a second simulation, I can clear the trend? Really? Yeah, hi Isaac. The fluid symptomatics, really, that's my oldest videos on this channel. That's how this channel started. Back when I was still an automation channel. I still am, but when that was the main focus. I'm having fun with the doors now, actually. They work quite nice. Gotta say, they work quite nice. Let's see if I go outside if the other stuff still works. Yeah, this with the door right here still messed up. But that's what it is. This should now work as well. Yeah, got it. By the way, that's not your SMS tone. If you have like if that's your SMS tone, it's in the game. Beep 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 beep. Okay, that's good. Let's look at the other drawers because I need to hide things in those drawers. That's the classic, right? Patrick, I can't really help. I don't know much about the trend views, about the traces. Sounds really strange, though. So next, we've got those 4 doors. Next is the drawers. Copy and paste it is. With one difference. No difference. It's the same thing. We just need to change the animation. But the rest is the same, like, I could just copy and paste from it. Got this, I need an animator on there. That I click on. movable object. What kind of shitty script is this even? So this, I can already delete 3 drawers because I will copy and paste. Animator, there we go. Got the animator. What else do we need? Quest, blah, blah, blah. I'll take this. Thank you. The code, even the code is exactly the same. Then I will also take the rigid body because it's a physical component that we interact with. Ja, sorry, dass ich jetzt nicht helfen kann. Sorry that I can't help spontaneously. Best of luck on it. Best of luck. Like you're definitely gonna find it. So we've got this. All that is left to do is to have the animation for it. Let's create it. Let's create a clip. Quest, blow C-check inside. Yes. Animation clips. Draw. And draw will get not the rotation. Now what do we need? From Morocco? Hey, from Morocco, that's cool. Hi. Ibtal. A difficult name for me, I'm sorry. Let's record this. Let's go to like 1 second or so. And let's push that out here. That should be enough. That should be enough, and that, well, probably a little bit more, like this. That's it. Done. Let's play it. Burp, burp, burp. Done. That definitely... Oh, it's already... Oh, it is already added to the animator? Alright, it did that last time as well. Drawer. Open. And the negative one, the one that we did last time, and that one is close, of course. And we need the variable that is called open. And we need to link these two. Wait, no, I had an empty one, right? For the other one, I had an empty step, I think. You remember? Yeah, we need that empty step because it shouldn't be opening in the beginning. That'd be bad. No loop, thank you. I would have seen that probably then. When I would have seen it when we start, like it just goes on and in and out. That would have been funny. Open, yes. Oh, that's the other one. Where is the first one? The drawer. This one. We need the empty step. I'll just copy and paste this. This one is going to be idle. No animation. This one is then open. And from idle we go to open, but only when we have the variable. Open is true. That goes here. That's the same here. Whoops. I just clicked on something. Shit. I just clicked on something. That's bad. What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? Fuck. I just dragged and dropped something. That, unfortunately, that was nothing bad. What motivated me, Michael? Good question. A very good question. I just felt like it. Like with most things in life, I just felt like it. The main motivation, though, is I want to get this on Markiplier's 3 Scary Games. If you don't know what that is and who that is, not important. It's just a huge YouTuber that I like. And it would be fantastic if I could get on there. Like, in a video of his. Open? Of course. That is not layer this. This is interactable. That is the thing I had to change for all of them. Let's see. How late is that? Open. Yoink. Yeah, that's definitely the one I wanted to open. What? No. No. What? What? This one is not even in the cursor or anything. It's not even nearby. It's what? Did I take the right animation? I have the right animation. Motion draw. Yeah. I wanted to check that, but I was pretty sure it is. That's why I didn't do it. But good question. I had the same idea, so let's see. There, on the cursor. Yeah, it is. I can check for the door as well, if the door itself thinks it is active. I don't have it as a public one. I don't really have that. I can't really check. Yeah, I can't really check because it's not a public one. I could make it public. Yeah, I will have to make it public. Oh, private protected. No, I can't. Can't. It's gotta be. Like, there's nothing, like... No. It's doing the wrong animation. Done. I'm convinced that it does. I could just post it in my... in my console. I could just post it in there. Yeah. But let me first check if I find the problem in another way. Like, because I don't think that's the problem. I think this one just got the wrong animation. Yeah. It's hard to see right now. I've got the drawer selected. And this is the door. And I've got the drawer selected. The drawer right now, if I click on this... Do you see which one? Like, no, you don't. You can't. If I select the drawer, right now I'm in the drawer, and if I click on the animation that it's linked to, the door activates. So the animation, I've linked the wrong animation. Right now the script for the drawer links to the door. So because I copied and pasted, I have to link it to the correct animator, of course. That's it. So I was really literally looking at the wrong component. I didn't think it was my use script. My use script should be fine right now. Like my interactable script in general. It's not good, but it should be fine. What was that? What's wrong with the shadows, by the way? I gotta check the shadow. No, it should work, yeah. Problem is... What was wrong with the animation? What's wrong with the animation there? I probably just didn't put it here or something. It's the other way around. False. True. A Boolean variable. You know, true and false is all the same, but no, it's not. Yoink this. Yep. Yoink this close. Scene. Yes. Now I just need to copy. And one more. That looks okay. No need for perfect alignment here. I mean, a little bit, but not much. One problem that I see now is my cursor could be too thick. What? That was unexpected. Again, the absolute versus additive? No, what's the incremental? Yeah. Same problem that we have. My bottom drawer outdid it. Really? Do you think so? What? Yeah. Now we're gonna make it an absolute movement and not the stupid other movement there. One huge problem we still have is... I don't care. Do I? Cursor is too thick now. And also the root motion, it doesn't work 100%. It looks like shit a little bit, but that's okay. I could do another thing? Yeah. Because right now it takes all of the positions. Which one is this? Position Z. That's not what I wanted, thank you. It doesn't matter, it's fine. Yeah, the only thing I want to change is the cursor right now is too thick, and I can just change that in general. Because look at this is how my cursor works, yoink. I bet you didn't think it was this way. Yes, it is. It's really this thing sticking right out of our face. Don't ask questions. Just accept it, please. And we need to change the girth of it. Which one is the girth? No, that's the length. I think this one. 0.08. Let's make it more thin. It's got girth to it. I know. It's a huge, huge thing. The ladies love it. Look at the cursor. I've got it still in the display. I'm sorry. Let's make it even thinner. Let's make it maybe half that. Let's not display it anymore. That looks stupid. Hi, I'm Lindsay Lohan. Hi, Lindsay Lohan. Greetings from Latvia. They have you a lot. That's great. That's great. I have done one project with the Siemens IoT, the semantic IoT. Hi. Oh wait, it applies to root motion. Oh, whoops. I can give you a nice link, Lindsay Lohan, just because it's you, Lindsay. Let me check out. Let me search for the link. It takes a minute to search for a link. Sorry. No, that's not what I want. I'm right now searching because there's quite good online content, I think, on this one as well. Hey, there, we are linked. Interesting. Not courses, no. Training documents, yes, that's what I want. What is that? What is the Semantic IoT 2000 or 2020, 2040? I think they got a 2060 even right now. That came out. It's an industrial component to connect things mostly to the cloud, to put them into the Internet of Things, so to say. I thought I had some stuff on it. There we go. I'm just copying and pasting for you, Lindsay. Oh, I can't. Wait. There we go. Gotta go on here. I'm just copying and pasting a link. Try to search on that website a little bit. There should be also materials, learning materials on the IoT there. Just because it's you. And it's all free. Try to read there a little bit. So one thing that is still a problem, those are now the root motions. They're applying the root motion. That looks like shit now. There's a lot of material there. Try to click through it. If you can't, there should be something. I'm not 100% sure, but quite sure. How do I freeze the position? I don't want all three of them. Unity, animation, position. Only one. I googled and I found the first thing was exactly the thing. So let's see. It's probably complicated. And it's not loading. Love it. Why is it not loading, guys? There we go. Oh, that makes sense. I get it. I understand so many new things now. Hi, Robbie. Hi. New location background. Do you mean here? I'm in a classroom now. If that's what you mean. Or do you mean the game? Oh, that makes so much sense now. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. I am an idiot. So those you can... Sorry. Yeah, I need the exit time here now. And the exit time needs to be complete. Full thing. That could have fixed it. But I am an idiot. You don't need to know why. I won't explain it. Just accept that I am a fool. It's broken. I broke it. That's odd now. Apply root motion. No, I don't want the root motion anymore. Whoops. No, I do. I need the root motion. Wait, no, the exit time. No. The other way around, right? Exit time should be like this. Is it? They can only happen after another. By the way, I am not really... I don't know how animations work. If that's not clear by now... I think it's pretty clear now. That's okay? Yeah, that doesn't work. It's broken. Okay. No. 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 Look at it going away. I mean, yeah, that should be okay, I think. The problem was that I didn't pull it right. Yeah. Did you see the thing just go and go and go? Love it. Why? Why don't you? Why do you want to annoy me so much? With a full thing? No. Wait. Why is this not active? Is it active here? No, it's gotta be active. Guys, it's gotta be active. Yeah, this is bad. This is actually bad. Close, please. Open. Close. Open. Close. Open. Close. Open. Close. Open. Close. Open. Close. Not good. Here's my fix to this. My absolute and ultimate perfect 100% correct fix. Don't take anything of what I just said serious. Of course it's not. This is the correct draw, so that's okay. I will do the following. They still all should have, yeah. I will create one animator for each of them. So they will open differently, okay? That's intended. That's what we discussed from the beginning on. 100% correct. Yes, 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 yes. Draw on the top will do this. No way. Stupid. Draw on the top will do this. Done. Okay. Next. Draw center. Draw. I'll call it draw 2. We'll do this. Got a little bit further. Yeah, that's what I wanted from the beginning on. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. You all saw it from the beginning that I did exactly what I wanted to do. First moment. If anyone says anything else, that person is lying. That one's a bit stuck. That one doesn't really move. Oops. No, maybe half the time. And there we go. So that one doesn't really open. Okay, got it. And the last one does the following. Oh yeah, you bet you're interested in what it does. It does this. Whoops. Record this. It goes out. Yep, definitely what I wanted. it goes out. Right. Then, how do I scroll here? Yeah. Then it does more. I bet you didn't think that would happen. It does that. Whoops. Then it does more. Up to 1 second. Is that a linear scale? That's not a linear scale. No, it's not. Strange. Oh, it's milliseconds, 2 seconds. That's still not a linear scale. That's a strange scale. But okay, I don't care. That goes out a little bit more, and it even rotates a little bit. It goes there somehow. And it goes down a little bit. Yeah, that's what it does. And then something comes out of it. Understand? Perfect, right? Yeah, I bet you didn't think that would happen. Why is it down there now? Can you please go back? Yeah, we have a jump scare. Yeah. That's what I wanted. Yeah. Yeah. So I will just finish this animation. Like, I will just drag and drop those in now. And then I'll call it a day as well. So they all have this animation now, which is draw blah blah blah. Why is that so stupid? That's not what I want. I mean, they're all the same. Okay, this got confusing quite fast. Shit. Let's start one by one. This one's got this that I call draw 01. No. I should have renamed those. Doesn't matter. Now it's draw 01. It's okay. Draw 01 got this one. That's got an animation. And I just have to do what I did earlier. Right, with the behavior and the boolean and stuff. Open. Copy this, copy that there. This is idle. And then we get the transition going there. This one here is open. Yeah, that's gonna take a minute. And then I'm going to call it a day. We test it and then it's going to work. And that's when we call it a day. Can only go there if open is true. This one has no exit time. Use close. And I can't copy and paste this, unfortunately, I think. No, I can. I can. No, I can't. I can. I can't? Maybe I can. I don't know. Hi, Steph. Hi. You came in on the moment I'm just confused to the max. And I'm also about to finish, to wrap up quite soon. Why does this still have an exit time? Very Philip. It goes there when it's false, and it comes back when it's true. Yeah. So that is draw 01, right? Yeah. Yes. How's life over there? What do you mean over there? Draw 2. Draw 3. Draw 4. And I'm also going to rename those now because that was stupid of me. By the way, I now understand why the person who created that thing in the first place did it like they did it. When I complained about it earlier, they did it correct, and I complained without a reason, and I should feel ashamed. Which I don't, but I should. That goes in here, yeah. That goes in here. That goes in there. So draw 1 gets the draw top animation. Is that it? Yeah. The second one gets the draw 2 animation. Second one gets the draw 2 animation. What's the draw animation now? The third one gets the draw 3 animation. And the fourth one gets the draw bottom animation. Which, of course, we don't need to repeat here. This one is okay. Just does that once. Everything is messed up now, I think. So, yes. Of course. I don't know what that is now. Hi, pizza, yeah, thanks. Lol, that fits. Why though? Oh, I didn't change the motion, did I? I did. If you just have your function call, there's an en input. If you put like a 0 on the en input, like a variable that's always 0, that will do the thing. What? Works? Why does that jump up there? What? Move it down. No, that's not how it works. I know the problem, but I don't know why. And I don't know how to delete this. They all have to draw top activate. I can just do this, actually, but... Reactivates. Why the fuck? Delete single dope sheet Unity animation. What? Delete part of a timeline. No, that's not what I want. Remove all location results. No, how to shorten animation. No, 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 no. Put them in the dishwasher. Yeah, that will fix it. You're right. I mean, yeah, like this makes sense that it does that, but how do I delete it? How do I delete this thing here? Just by the way, I need to deactivate the loop. How in the world do I do that? Click on it and press delete. I can't click on it. That's one thing. I can't. If I click on it, it's just selected. Just hit delete? I can't. I can't. Oh, right. I'm sorry. Yoink. I've got this thing here, and I just want to delete. Like, they all have this draw top now. For some reason, I don't know why, but for some reason. They all have their own animation, and they all have this clip called draw top. Unity animation. Delete one clip. It doesn't work. I tried right click. Wait. It's just this. Done? No, draw top is still there. It deletes it from all of them then. What the fucking hell? What in the godforsaken shit is this? That worked. I mean, it works, but they all have this. Why the fuck do they? I'm so confused. Animation. So this is... Which animation is this? It's those root motion. What's the draw animation, by the way? This is an old one, right? This I can delete. I hope. That worked. Open? It's down there. It's open. How do I not have them make that? Wait. Oh, okay. I see. It is time that I call it a day, because I assume it's in the idle animation of all of them. I copied and pasted and I kept it in the idle animation. No, it's not. Oh, please tell me it is. No, it's not. Why? Please tell me it is. Please, just tell me it is. No? Yeah, it is. Oh, I left it. Of course, then I can't delete it because it's still linked. Yes. And that's why they all started with doing that shit. Okay. Look at this, it's glorious now. Never copy and paste. No, that's stupid. Why would you copy and paste? Look at this, it's fabulous now. It could be more fabulous, but it's fabulous now. Oh my god, I was so upset with me right now. I should have known it. Okay, guys. Oh, thank you for joining. I'm sorry that I got confused. We didn't... Did I save? Yeah. We didn't do much. I would put stuff in there. thank you for joining on this trip. It's so great to have you here. But no, I need a break. You need a break. Definitely my poor fiance needs a break because I've been talking for hours and I occupy this whole room and I'm annoying, which I fully understand. Oh, I'm so sorry. And sorry everyone that we got confused. 80-20 rule, yeah. Pareto, the good old Pareto. So thank you for joining. I will take some rest now. And stay safe, stay healthy out there, my friends. Getting married, yeah. Corona delayed it a bit, so we'll see about that. But still, yeah. Thank you. I'll see you around. Bye-bye. Bye. Thank you all for joining us. I'm so upset.